Hey, I'm cryptoFOXXY. Thanks so much for stopping by the channel. So in this video, we are going to take a look at top 5 altcoins to watch for the third week of February. So let's not waste any time here. Make sure you guys are locked in. Hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Follow me on X as well if you're watching over there, and let's get into it here. So top 5 altcoins. So we know that the altcoin market has been a little bit mixed over the last week or two. Some altcoins are outperforming others, and there are some that are standing out and some that are look like they could be primed for some further gains here down the road. So we're going to take a look at some of those as well. So Telcoin right now has surged about 88% in the last 7 days, and it's making it one of the best performing altcoins this week. Market cap pushed above $1 billion and reached its highest price level since December of 2021. So it's currently breaking out of a long consolidation phase. We can see that obviously in the chart here. Taking a look at some of the support and resistance levels here. What does Telcoin provide? Well, it provides remittances by providing a seamless and cost-effective way to send money globally. Now, Telcoin could test the 1.3 cent level and even extend its rally towards 1.5 cents. Now, Tel could retrace down to decimal 0075 with further downside potential to the 6.3 level or even the 4.2 in a stronger pullback. Now, let's take a look at Sonic. This is a project formerly known as Phantom. Sonic has the S token has surged nearly 40% in the last 7 days. Buying pressure remains overall. Market activity around S has slowed in the short term. Formerly known as Phantom, this is the fastest and most efficient EVM layer 1. They did a complete rebranding basically and changed a lot of their fundamentals. And this is a really fast layer 1 built on top of Ethereum, right? So since the rebranding, the projects faced some challenges, down 63% since mid-December of 2024. So it could test resistance at 60 cents, and a breakout above that level could push it towards 65 cents. Now, if we go down and basically retrace a bit, it could retrace down to the 47 cent or potentially even down to the 37 cent, depending on how much selling pressure intensifies. So Litecoin is one of the most likely altcoins to receive an ETF. In the United States. It's climbed nearly 30% in the last 7 days. There's a number of ETFs that are in the works and being acknowledged by the SEC right now in the United States, XRP being one of them. There's a ton of talk around a number of other ones as well as Solana, XLM. We've got there's a ton of different Dogecoin's another one, but Litecoin has been around for a long time, and Litecoin has been tied to Bitcoin for a long time as well. So it could potentially be one of the benefactors of ETF approvals. LTC's EMA lines indicate the upward trend could continue. We can see that these are the EMA lines that we're talking about right here, where these two are over the blue one. If the trend holds, Litecoin could test resistance at $141 and $147. We could even see it potentially hit the $150 mark, even $160, which would mark its highest price since December of 2021. Now, the key support levels are about $110, and if that level potentially is lost, we could see it slide to about $96 to $86 range. DEXE is a governance protocol. It's dropped 11% in the last 7 days. The token is undergoing a correction following a strong rally earlier this month. So it had this big run up, and now we're having a bit of a pullback. And it could test the support level at about $15.80. And a break below that level, we could see it push down to 1320, 1940. We could see resistance there with further upside potential to 2180 if we get enough buying pressure, and potentially even 2410. So Ondo Finance, Ondo I've covered on the channel. I really like Ondo. I've actually I own Ondo as well, and it's been a downtrend over the last 7 days. The RW sector is gaining a ton of momentum. I've been keeping an eye on that. The RWA sector, I might actually do a video on that after as well. The RWA altcoins are currently trending, and Ondo could follow that lead and basically gain from that movement. Its EMA lines are currently very close to each other. We can see that here. I know I can't really blow this up much more for you guys, but we can see those here. The gap between them is narrowing, which could indicate a potential trend shift. Ondo has strong support, about $1.25. And if it regains bullish momentum, we could see it test resistance at $1.49 and further upside potential to $1.66. So let's jump over, take a look at coin market cap right now. Bitcoin's hovering around 97.2. So it's definitely still in that consolidation zone that we've been noticing. I'm going to take a look at the top gainers for today. Very minimal gains, 8% is the highest with Pancake Swap, and then we're down into the 2 and 3% range. Not really a whole lot standing out, but definitely, kind of a slow weekend, not really much going on right now. But that's pretty much what I got for you guys in this video. Just want to give you a few coins to put on your radar, potentially, could potentially have some impact this week, but we'll have to wait and see what happens here. But definitely, none of this is financial advice whatsoever. Do what's right for you guys, just putting these guys on your radar. So, I always like to expand my knowledge on different altcoins that are out there because I consider myself a bit of an altcoin collector. So, if any of those sound good to you, let me know in the comments down below if you want me to cover something specific, and I'll see what I can do and do my best. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.